Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crypto Insider and I'm talking about the Paws migration to Solana. So some days back on July 21st on Jerome's channel, he said we agreed with Ton Foundation to make Ton the exclusive blockchain partner of Telegram. Ton will be our blockchain infrastructure for tokenization, payouts, mini app integrations and more. So the implication is that all mini apps, all games, or airdrops that is not launching on the Tom blockchain will not be accepted. And we know that before Paws said that they'll be launching on Solana, and then we're able to connect our Solana address, our Solana wallet, and our Ton wallet at the same time. But because of these developments, Ton is going to be migrating to Solana. So do the following so that you do not lose your points and your account. As you can see on this wallet session, if you click, there is no more Solana wallet, there's no more Solana address linked. So we're going to be going over to Phantom wallets now, so I can show you what to do so that you don't lose your points. So this is Phantom wallet. You can download it from Play Store if you don't have already, but I believe every single person who has been farming Paws for a while now should have Phantom wallet. So there's no more task on the Paws Telegram page because they are preparing to launch. So I don't think we're going to miss much by not following them up or by not doing any task on Telegram. So on Phantom, come over to this part, this discover side here. Then go to this bar, sites, tokens and URL, and search for Paws.community. So this is the Paws.community page. So you can see Paws animals are done, it's Paws season. So verify yourself. You click on verify yourself. So we'll be signing in with the Phantom wallet. There's no need signing in with Ton wallet or with Telegram app since Paws will no longer be launching on Ton. It will be launching on Solana. So you click on Phantom wallet. Connect your account. Confirm or sign. As you can see, we are logged in through the Phantom wallet. There is everything is preserved, all your points, everything is preserved. So if you have multiple accounts and you would like to log in your multiple accounts, you can exit and then log in with another account, or you can open another tab on Phantom and log in your other account. I think that's all. So if you have more questions, you can go to the comment section and send in your question. Thank you for watching this video. Do well to like, share, turn on your post notifications so they can get more updates from me, and also very importantly, subscribe. See you next time.